welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I am so excited today. I have been waiting so long for this stinking box. Finally, my beautylish lucky bag came in. Now, there's a million videos on the 2020 beautylish lucky bag, but I know some of my subscribers don't know what this is. This is not a subscription. It's not a monthly thing that you get. It is one time a year you guys can get this box. One time. And it's the day after Christmas on December 26th. Go to the beautylish website, sign up for emails to get alerted when the box comes. And on December 26th at 12 p.m. Eastern, so noon Eastern, you can order the box. Now, I was not able to get my hands on the big box. I tried. There's an extra large box. Literally, guys, it sold out in less than 30 seconds. So I only was able to get the regular Beautylish Lucky Bag. And in case you're wondering about the weight, I did see it. It was like 1.88 pounds or something like that. Yeah, 1.88 pounds. So this is a Japanese custom or tradition, and this is Beautylish's take on that tradition. So every year, if you get the regular box, which was what I got, it's $75, and then you get $150 minimum. You at least get $150 in products. You know right off the get-go, you're doubling your value. Here is what it looks like on the inside. And then we do have our little card, which I'll read to you. It's always wrapped beautifully. The new Japanese paper every year is gorgeous. It's double-sided. You should reuse it if you have it. It's beautiful. And this explains a little bit about what it is. It says, lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's lucky bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope your surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. I know a lot of people have been disappointed in their lucky bags. Before I do that, so this is the $75 lucky bag, so I will have $150 in product in here. The bigger bag, I believe it was $150, but you were guaranteed $300 in product for that one. So, and Beautylish normally they ship for free throughout the year if you're buying stuff, but this did cost an extra $10. So in total, it cost me $85 in shipping. And I will at the very end put the total price of my lucky bag. That's the thing with these. You may get lucky. You may just get your $150 in product. I think it's a little difficult for some of us that are creators because new launches come out, and if you're in the beauty community, you buy a lot of them, and then this comes out, and a lot of times this is stuff that they had throughout the year, so sometimes it is repeats for people like me who are doing, reviews and makeup all the time. But for you guys, if you're not like an avid buyer of makeup and you buy it occasionally, I think you would love something like this. Be a great buy, but you do need to get on the wait list now. So I will link the Beautylish site below so you guys can go up and sign up for emails. And I'll also link any of the products that I have in mind. So let's get to opening it. What's in it? I can't wait. I think I'm the last person on this earth to get her lucky bag. I was originally, it said Wednesday it was going to be here. And then it said Thursday night. Then it said Friday. Then it said Saturday. So it's 4 days delayed from where it was supposed to be. So when you open it up, there's a double-sided. You have, this is, I think, just paper, but we'll double check. And you have your fundle right here. So let's get in and see what we got. How exciting. Okay, let me just double check. I'm pretty sure this is just empty paper. Yeah. All right. So it's not a huge bundle. I've seen what a lot of other people got. Some of the stuff I have, some of it I don't have. There is something in here that everybody got. It's a new brand that Beautylish has been talking about. Holifrog or Holifrog, I don't know. Let's start with that. So I got the Holifrog Superior Omega Nutritive Gel Wash. Here we are. This is a brand that they've been kind of pushing and showing. It's a brand new release brand. I don't know much about this brand. This is a balance and refresh cleansing, and yeah, it's just a cleanser. I won't use this right away because I have so many cleansers that I'm going through, but I am excited to have that. Don't know what this costs. I'll put the price of this up on the screen. All right, to go with that, I got Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. This I'm excited about. Last year we got from Good Molecules, which is another one of their brands they pushed. Everybody got something last year. Last year I got this like pumpkin extract eye gel, and I still am using it, and it's still wonderful. It's super gentle, and I felt like it really helped kind of tone up my under eye area. I will say, from using all these different beauty things and watching YouTube and trying different products out, my skin's getting better. I'm never going to get rid of my, you know, unless I do Botox, my 11s up there, because they're just so deep, but definitely under here is looking so much nicer. And so this is, niacinamide is a great thing for my skin. It loves it. And this is a brightening toner, perfect for more mature skin. So I'm super excited to have that. Let's actually take a look at the inside of this, and I'll show you the inside of the Holifrog too. I forgot. Oh, this is like nice. This is like a big, good size, and it is a glass bottle. Super excited. I've seen a lot of people complaining that they were unhappy about their lucky bags, and I feel like saying to them, and what I always said to my children is, you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. You know, when you order these, they're 75 bucks, and you're gonna get the product. You're gonna get $175 or $150 in product, but you don't know what you're getting. You're gonna probably get repeats if you're an avid makeup and skin junkie. Here we go. This looks pretty cool. What a beautiful package this is in. This is the cleanser for my skin. So I have a cleanser and a brightening toner. So that's fun. So we've got a little bit of skincare so far. Okay. So then I've seen somebody get this. I don't know if this is the empty one or if this is the one with the brushes in it, but this is a brush holder. I think it has brushes. Yes, it does. I got an entire brush set. It is Unit is the brand of it, and it's just Unit 201, 202 to 205 for your eyes. Oh, they feel wonderful. I was hoping I would get some brushes. I love brushes. These feel fantastic, and you can see they just say the Unit on it. I don't know anything about this brand, but what a great little travel setup you got here. You've got 5 brushes. That's got everything that you're gonna really need to do your eyes, except, oh yeah, you could smudge this one under. I'm gonna say you've got your inner corner, you got a smudger, you got some blenders, you've got, yeah, shaders. It looks great. So that's gotta be a nice little value right there. I'm excited to have that. Okay, then I got some Ardell natural lashes, and I'm happy to have these two. Ardell are my favorite lashes to date. I'm not wearing, I don't wear lashes too often. I am wearing a pair today, and I think these might be Kiss. I can't remember, but these are the Ardells, and they are in, it just says natural black. That's not natural, but anyway, there they are. Those are probably like $5 or something. That's not a big one. All right, and then I got something by Sugar Pill. It's a liquid lip color in the color Nurse Matte, which looks like a red. So here is, I've never tried this brand, anything by Sugar Pill. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you think about it, but this looks like a red. I'm not a huge red girl. I wear red during the holidays, Valentine's Day, you know, Christmas. It is broken up a little bit, so that's a little bit of a concern. Wonder if I hope it hasn't dried out. If it dried out, I'm gonna let them know that there's a bad product in here, because that is one thing that I won't be okay with. Okay, it looks like it's, okay, I think it's fine. Let me swatch it and show you guys. Oh, that is like a blue red. That's really pretty. If I'm gonna wear a red, it would be more of a darker blue red like that. I don't like the orangey reds. They're not flattering on my skin tone, but this red is a much prettier shade. So that's pretty nice. So I'm happy to try that and have that. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6 items, and we have 2 to go still. Ooh, I'm excited about this too. I got the Viseart Warm Edit palette. I think I got a Viseart palette last year from them too, and I don't think that I have this one. Sorry, Nitro is being weird, making his noise. It's not me snorting, I promise. So it's the Warm Edit palette. Excuse you. Oh, this is beautiful. And this is also fantastic for travel too. Hold on, let me take the little page thing off. Because it's got a mirror and it's small and it'll be great. And it's got all your beautiful nudes, but then for the summer you do have some pops of like the bright orange and yellow. You've got like a burgundy down here, but you've got your neutrals and you've got highlighting shades, really everything you need. And this looks like it's gonna be one of those pretty I want to swatch that one. Oh, okay, so funny. Looking in the monitor, it looks almost like a pinky rose gold, but when you look at it here, it's really more of like, I don't know, like a burnt orange. And it's got pink in it. It's got like a pink gold shift. That's what I thought when I first looked at it. But then when I looked at the pan, it looked differently. So that's kind of pretty. Let's swatch like another, let's swatch that burgundy one. Whoa, that's got some pigment. Wow, and some fallout. But beautiful, beautiful shades. Oh, I'm excited about that. So that is the Viseart Warm Edit. Yay, that's a good buy. All right, and then the last but not least, what is this? Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. Oh, I saw somebody else get this. I'm so thrilled to get skincare, probably because I have so much makeup, but I think this is the one that looks like a little spaceship, if I remember correctly. A lot of people got the Juno & Co. sponge, so I might have got a little extra lucky with this bag. So here we are. I'm going to open it up. I think this is pretty expensive, if I remember correctly. Oh, goodness gracious. It's like, oh my gosh. I don't know what this does, but there's glitter in it. There's glitter in the bottom of it. Do you see that? Here it is. The whole top is all glitterified. But if I remember too, there's like hardly anything in here. It's mostly the container. Oh, but this is a thick, thick cream. Look at that. This is like a very, very thick cream. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand here. We're going to look at this and see what this magic moonshine cream does. I don't know, but it feels good. Of course, I rubbed it in and I had that pink on my skin, so it made like gave my skin a pink hue. Feels really, really nice. It doesn't really have any information. It says you got it glowing on, apply it to your face and neck until fully absorbed. And that's really all it says about it. All right, so that is my full lucky bag. I feel super blessed. I got the weird Moonshine Miracle Cream. I got the Viseart Warm Edit palette. We've got a full set of travel brushes in a case. There's 5 brushes in a case in here. We've got some eyelashes. We got a red lippy. I can't hold it all. And then we got the Holifrog and the Good Molecules, the niacinamide and the cleanser and niacinamide brightening toner. So all of that for 75 bucks. I think I did pretty well. I'm super excited. So I'm going to take a few minutes and figure out what the cost of everything was, and I will put that here up on the screen. If you're new to my channel because you're searching and you've been watching all the Beautylish Lucky Bags, welcome guys. My name is Terri. I do mostly beauty and fashion and a little bit of lifestyle. I'm super excited with my lucky bag. I hope you guys got one. If you did, if you had an opportunity, let me know what you thought. Did you get any kind of special one-of-a-kind items or something different than somebody else got? Let me know about your experience. And if you're new, I hope you'll subscribe and stick around. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Stay tuned, and all the prices will be up on the screen. I'll see you guys. Bye.